Dear friends and vivid followers of Psych Tech channel. A warm welcome to understand human behavior. Psych Tech provides psychological tips and guidance. Come, let us dive into a new topic. Are you okay with your partner? How to establish comfort in a relationship? Comfort in a relationship is a multifaceted concept that forms the core of emotional intimacy and connection between partners. It's about feeling safe, accepted, and valued, allowing individuals to be their true selves without fear of judgment. Let's break this down with examples and explanations. There are 5 key aspects in which we can establish comfort in our relationships. 1. Feeling safe. 2. Feeling accepted. 3. Feeling valued. 4. Being your true self. 5. Shared experiences. Let us explore each of these aspects in detail to understand how they contribute to building comfort in relationships. Firstly, let us reflect upon feeling safe. Feeling safe in a relationship means trusting that your partner will protect your emotional well-being. This safety allows you to be vulnerable, share your deepest fears and insecurities, and know that you will be met with compassion and understanding, not criticism or rejection. Imagine a couple where one partner has a fear of public speaking. Despite their anxiety, they feel safe enough to express their fears to their partner, knowing they won't be mocked or dismissed. Instead, their partner listens, offers support, and encourages them to face their fears at their own pace. Secondly, let us explore feeling accepted. Acceptance in a relationship goes beyond tolerance. It involves embracing your partner's unique qualities, interests, and even quirks. When you feel accepted, you know that your partner appreciates you for who you are, without trying to change you to fit their ideal. Consider a situation where one partner enjoys a quirky hobby, like collecting vintage comic books. Their partner not only accepts this hobby but also shows genuine interest, even accompanying them to comic book conventions or helping them find rare editions. Thirdly, let us focus on feeling valued. Feeling valued means knowing that your partner recognizes and appreciates your worth. It's about being seen and acknowledged for the love, care, and effort you put into the relationship, which reinforces a sense of mutual respect and admiration. A couple who regularly express gratitude and appreciation for each other's efforts, no matter how small. Whether it's saying thank you for cooking dinner or acknowledging each other's hard work, these actions show that each partner values the other's contributions to the relationship. Fourthly, let us discover what is being your true self. Comfort allows you to drop the masks you may wear in other areas of your life. In a comfortable relationship, you don't feel the need to hide parts of yourself. Instead, you can express your true thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, knowing that your partner will accept and love you as you are. One partner feels comfortable enough to share their childhood dreams, silly jokes, or even past mistakes, knowing that they won't be judged harshly. The other partner listens with an open heart, encouraging them to be their authentic self. Finally, we will ponder over shared experiences. Comfort in a relationship isn't just about emotional safety, it's also about enjoying the shared experiences that bring you closer. Whether you are laughing together during a fun activity or finding peace in each other's presence during a quiet moment, these experiences create a strong foundation of comfort. A couple enjoys both active moments, like hiking or dancing, and quiet moments, like reading together or simply sitting in silence. The joy of these shared experiences, whether filled with laughter or tranquility, builds a deep sense of comfort between them. The only question that needs a practical answer is, what makes us comfortable with someone? Comfort in a relationship is built over time through consistent actions that demonstrate safety, acceptance, and value. It comes from a deep understanding and appreciation of each other's individuality, and a commitment to nurturing the relationship. Mutual trust, open communication, and the ability to share both the joys and challenges of life contribute to this sense of comfort. In essence, comfort is the glue that holds a relationship together, allowing it to thrive even in the face of challenges. It's about creating a space where both partners feel at home with each other, free to be their true selves, and confident that they are loved and valued. Remember, establishing comfort in a relationship takes time and involvement, so be patient with yourself. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay in comfort and enjoy. Thanks for watching this video.